Restoring sites is a very important tool for any person that owns, maintains, or builds the sites. By using ManageWP, this task is rather easy. Restore tool is the part of our backup tool, and it is integrated into Backup widget and the Backup tool as well. To restore the site, hover over the site thumbnail and tap the Backups icon, or in the left sidebar, click Backups. In the Backup tool, you can see the calendar with your backups. Select the date of the backup that you would like to restore your site to. Below Calendar, you will see the list of all backups for the selected date and click on the one that you need. Click Restore button and you will be prompted with a message to confirm the restore process. After confirming, the progress bar will show you how far the restore process gets, and you will be notified when it's done. If your site needs restoring because it is down, accidentally or deliberately deleted, you might have to insert the FTP credentials in Restore Settings tab to make the restore process work. Your site is up and functional.